Aloha. Well, I had myself all worried about all that abiu fruit and all the rambutans. Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? The sky is falling on my fruit head. And well, I should never worry. Should not worry. Um, a couple days ago, I contacted Food Basket and asked if they wanted some rambutans and some abiu, and well, I didn't get a response right away. But then that morning, Food Basket truck goes driving by my place, blowing the horn. I went, okay, that's great. They're still alive. That's nice to know. Uh, and didn't hear anything else. Later on in the day, my friend Julie showed up to help and trying to decide what we're going to do. I figured maybe we'll go in the nursery and pull weeds out of the pots. Just as soon as I got the bench set up, phone rings, pick it up. Oh, it's Kuilani from the Food Basket. Yeah, I want the fruit. We're 5 minutes away. We'll be there. I go, you're 5 minutes away? I haven't picked anything. It's all right. I got help. We'll pick. They go, oh, okay. So I told Julie, well, let's get started picking abius. And it wasn't but 5 minutes, and I hear people coming up the hill, and it's Kuilani from the Food Basket with one of her co-workers, and so we stripped every piece of ripe fruit out of the abius, then went over to the rambutan and got pole pruners and ladders and got up in there and chopped down as many of those as we could, and then also went out and got the rest of the lilikoi. Brought that in. It was more than my scales would handle, and so I just turned it all over to them, and I said, okay, you weigh it and then send me back the weight. We'll create the invoice. But I should never worry. Here I had all this fruit, and I'm going, oh, what are we going to do with all this fruit? Well, I had 3 women show up to help me pick it, and Food Basket to haul it away. And here probably today or tomorrow, sometime or another, about the weight of the product. I know the abiu was heavy. Ooh, oh, they're so big. Well, look at this. It's enormous. These are just huge. I have no idea how many it was, but we filled up several of the great big lugs that Food Basket uses with these yesterday. So I'm sure the weight is very significant. There's more. They just weren't quite all ripe at the same time, so we have another load yet to pick. Same with the rambutans. They're going to be ripening for the next 2 weeks probably. Boy, from where I'm sitting too, yesterday Julie brought me a special durian. Unlike a lot of durian, which to me smell like sewer gas or old socks or something, this one was actually sweet roast garlic. It was perfect garlic roasted. I'll admit it was more palatable than the Jim Sock sewer gas version. Anyway, I threw the rind over here behind me underneath my soursop tree, and I can smell it from where I'm sitting. I get such a kick when they bring durian into the local Hilo farmers market. And I mean, you can smell it easily a block away when they have it over there. And you'll see the tourists walking around going, oh man, the sewers must be backing up here in Hilo, No, man, that's just the fruit. Don't worry. Oh, anyway, so looks like my problem solved. I got dragon fruit. Now I got to unload too. The yellow dragon fruit is all cropped up, so. And we will have a fresh load of seeds for yellow dragon fruit too. Really nice fresh seeds. Aloha. Thanks for watching. Hang loose.